What's up guys, this is Rakesh here once again. Welcome to the session of Oracle SQL. So guys, in our last session what we have discussed the rollback and commit operation from the transaction control language. Now we are going to pick one more classification, which is your DRL and DQL, data retrieval language and data query language. In that only we have only one operation, which is your select operation. And guys, this select operation, it will go very long, just like it's a one beta, only one son, guys. So like that, it's a very ladla. So this operation will take at least 15 to 20 sessions. So without our wasting time, let me begin. So guys, why we use this select statement? So select statement is used to retrieve the data from the any table. So that's the reason we use the select operation. Now you can say that, can you elaborate a little bit more? So guys, let's say for example, you have a table, employee table, in which I ask you, please can you find the records from the department table, where department is equal to, let's say for example, 19. Then what do? You have to write the select query. And how to write that select query? Let me show you in the practical. So guys, just right now we have seen the theory part of SQL select statement. Now it's time for the practice. So before I go for the practice, I would like to tell something about default tables available in the Oracle database. So guys, as you can see over here, these are the default table available in the Oracle database for your practice. So going forward, we are going to use all these tables in all the assignments and all the scenarios. Okay, now coming back to my original discussion, which is how you can retrieve the data from the any table, in our case department table. Now if somebody will ask you to write a query to retrieve the data from the department table, then how you can write it? That select SQL statement. So as you can see over here, this is the select statement to retrieve the data from the department table. So let me execute. So as you can see over here, it retrieves all the rows from the department table. Now if somebody will ask you one question saying that, can you give me those records which are having the department ID is equal to 19, then how can you do it? You can do it with the help of where clause. So how to add that where clause? Let me show you. So as you can see over here, I have added the where clause in which I have written department ID is equal to 90. So what exactly it will do? It will filter out all these records and it will give those records in which the department ID is equal to 19. So as you can see over here, it gives only those records which is having the department ID is equal to 19. Now let me tell you one more thing. Over here, star represents all columns. Instead of writing all the columns, you can mention only star, which will display all the columns from the table. Instead over here, you can write simple department ID also. Let me show you column name also. So you can write it like this also, or you can like this also. So this is all about the SQL select statement. Now guys, in upcoming session we will increase the complexity of an SQL statement. So keep in touch with me, and now it's time for the assignment. So let's have a look on the assignment. And guys, if you liked the video, then please hit the like button, share it, and if you want to get the regular update on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching for the video. Bye bye, take care.